Sound effects are carrying your content.
Whoa, 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 crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You do not need an added whoosh sound effect when you turn your head. I don't understand why every single movement needs a sound effect. It's like somebody will be getting up from a chair and all you hear is... A little goes a long way with sound effects. If your entire personality is the Vine boom, stop. If you cannot hear the person speaking, you should not have that many sound effects. The laugh track is dead. Alls I'm saying is if your sound effects are the best part of your video, that's an issue. With sound effects, this is so crazy. This is so crazy. Whoa. Without sound effects. Crazy. This is so crazy. Whoa. It just doesn't have the same punch to it, I guess.